Let's take a moment and learn how to operate the auxiliary input on Pioneer's MVH-X380BT. So here's the auxiliary input right here where I can plug in just about any 1/8" jack and listen to the music from any source. But before we get started with the auxiliary input, let's take a look at a setting on the head unit to make sure that everything will work right. So let's press in on the volume control and we're going to roll along here until we find the System menu. Here's System and we'll press Enter, and we want to roll along here until we find Auxiliary Input. Here's auxiliary input, and right now it is switched on. That means when I press the source button and switch between sources like auxiliary, Bluetooth audio, or AM/FM radio, auxiliary will show up in my source list. Now if I don't use the auxiliary input, I can switch that off so that when I press the source button here, I don't see auxiliary input show up. But I like to use the auxiliary input here, so I'm going to switch that on, and for this demonstration we'll need that to be switched on. When you're done making those adjustments, you can press the go back button, and we're back out to the AM/FM radio. Now I'll just press the source key here to go until we find auxiliary. Now I'm just going to plug in my auxiliary input right here. Now I'll plug the other end into my favorite music player and begin to play a track. Remember, turn up the volume on your music player before you turn up the volume on the 380.